Yo, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today we're going to be doing a little bit more with blocks. So in the last lesson I gave you an introduction to what blocks are. Today we're just going to create a really basic block and we're going to add it to somewhere on our site. So to get started, we're going to click blocks. If you remember last time, we saved it in our shortcuts. If you don't have it in your shortcuts, it's under structure and then blocks. So up at the top here, you'll notice this add a block. We'll click that. Here we're going to want to add a title. We're just going to call this our text block, and then in the description, this is what's going to be shown in the blocks administration page. So it's going to be something you want to be able to call and move it around by, but not necessarily have something that's going to be displayed. So make it something that you'll remember it by, but not necessarily something that your viewers will ever see. So we'll just call it text block, and in this block body is where you're going to put whatever you want. So because we don't have any WYSIWYGs or anything installed, we're just going to type away, and we'll just say test block content, and I'm going to copy this and just paste it a whole bunch of times just so we have something here. Okay, cool. And then in Bartik, I'm going to select where we want it. Well, I'd say a good spot would be in the sidebar second. And we're going to want this to show up on only the front page. And we'll click Save. Okay, now you can see that Drupal has automatically put this sidebar in here and placed our text block in here with its title. The reason why this sidebar wasn't being rendered before was because there was no items in that content region. Now that there is an item in that region, it's going to be rendered. If we move this out of here and let's say put it into the left column, then it will then no longer render this column at all in this theme. Okay, well that's how to create a text block. In the next lesson we're going to be going over menus. Once again, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching. Bye.